Good day everyone, I am Diana Yusel J. Sanchez, BS Ed English 2, and now I'm gonna read my answer in Test 2. Number 1. Can animals be taught some types of meaningful and orative human language? Yes or no? Explain. My answer. Animals, non-humans, do not have a true language like humans. However, they do communicate with each other through sounds and gestures. Animals have a number of inborn qualities they use to signal their feelings, but these are not like the form verbs we see in the human language. Dogs can be trained to follow certain commands such as sit, come, and roll over, but does this mean they understand language and therefore cause us as well? Dogs are known to be experts at reading their own intentions, and that they do not begin to respond to actual words, but the tone in which it is said. So if you say bad dog in a cheerful tone, the dog will wag its tail. If you say good boy in a harsh tone, the dog will put his tail in between his legs. Birds that are in captivity are known to be able to talk. It is believed that it does not mean anything to them, and they are merely copying sounds they heard. Number 2. What language property or properties can be found in animals' communication? Explain. Animal languages are a form of non-human animals' communication that shows similarities to human language. Animals in communication by using a variety of signals such as sounds or movements. Such signing may be considered complex, enough to be called a form of language if the inventory of signals is large. The signs are relatively arbitrary and the animal seems to produce them with a degree of violation, as opposed to relative automatic conditioned behaviors or unconditioned instinct, usually including facial expressions. In experimental tests, animals' communication may also be evidenced through the use of lexicograms, means as used by chimpanzees and bonobos. Many researchers argue that animals' communication lack a key aspect of human languages, that is, the creation of new patterns of signs under varied circumstances. In contrast, for example, humans routinely produce entirely new combinations of words. Some researchers, including the linguist Charles Hockett, argue that human language and animal communication differ so much that the underlying principles are interrelated. Accordingly, linguist Thomas A. Sackbach has proposed to not use the term language for animal sign system. Mark Hauser, Chomsky, and W. T. Kamsin Fitch assert an evolutionary continuum exists between the communication methods of animals and human language. That would be all. Thank you.